Hi everyone. As you already know, payments should be simple, but in Web3, sometimes they are still frustratingly complex. Introducing ArtaPay, a platform that lets you pay with any stablecoin anywhere, completely gasless on the base chain. So why aren't we using crypto for daily coffee yet? We identified three major issues that keeping us from using crypto. First, the gas fee barrier. New users are forced to hold Ethereum just to spend their stablecoins. No Ethereum, no transaction. Second, currency mismatch. I might hold Rupiah stablecoins, IDRX, but the merchant wants USDC, so I need to swap my stablecoins to USDC. The problem is, manual swapping is slow and confusing. And third, high-friction checkout. The constant need to approve and sign ruins the instant scan and go experience we expect. The impact of these issues is clear. New users drop off immediately because onboarding is too hard. Merchants refuse to adopt crypto because they don't want to manage multiple volatile currencies, and ultimately, users lose money on slippage and wasted fees just to make a simple payment. ArtaPay solves this with a seamless experience on Lisk. We use account abstraction to make transactions gasless. You pay gas fees using the stablecoin you are sending. You don't get the no ETH required. Our auto-swap settlement lets you pay with any token you hold, and the merchant automatically receives the token they need. It's fast, convenient, and feels just like a regular QR payment. We also introduced revolutionary features for power users, batch transfers. You can send money to multiple people in one go. And multi-coin payments. If you short on USDC, you can split the bill and pay using many different stablecoins at once. Let's see how it works. First, the top-up. Real-world users need a way to get in. I simply go to the top-up menu, select IDRX, and I can pay via bank transfer or QRIS. It connects directly to the IDRX API, making onboarding as easy as using a local e-wallet. Second, the merchant. Now let's receive a payment. I go to the Receive menu, set the amount in currency you want to accept, for example, 10 USDC, click Generate QR, and show it to the customer. That's it. Third, the customer. Now I switch to my phone. I can choose between single or batch transfer. Let's say I want to pay the merchant. I scan the QR code. Here is the magic. I need to send 10 USDC, but I only have 9 USDC. No problem. I enable multi-coin payment. The app automatically combines my 9 USDC with my IDRX balance to cover the rest. I tap Pay Now, and the transaction settles instantly on base. One signature, multiple coins, zero hassle. Fourth, the swap. Finally, if I just want to manage my portfolio, I can use the swap feature. I select USDC to IDRX, check the rates, and confirm. It's simple, transparent, and fast. ArtaPay is designed to be sustainable. Our revenue comes from a 0.3% platform fee on transaction volume, a 0.1% swap fee for cross-currency liquidity, and a 5% gas markup to sustain our paymaster. We are powered by the best tech in the ecosystem. Base as our scalable Layer 2, Pimlico and Foundry for robust account abstraction, and Privy combined with IDRX API for seamless fiat onboarding. We are moving fast. We are currently launching our MVP on Base Testnet. In Q2, we aim for our merchant and payment suite and testnet launch, followed by mainnet launch in Q3 and full fiat on-ramp integration in Q3, and cross-chain expansion by the end of the year. This project is brought to you by a dedicated team of builders, Alpha on smart contracts, Adika on front-end, Bagas as our architect, and Naufal managing the project. Let's get into the demo video. As you can see on our landing page, we are fixing the biggest friction in Web3 by making payments truly gasless and accessible for everyone. We've built a seamless platform that supports any stablecoin, integrated with the best tech in the industry to ensure speed and security. Let's dive straight in and click Get Started to launch the app. First, real-world users need a way to get in, so I'll head to the top-up menu. Here I can top up IDRX directly using my local bank. I simply choose the amount, pay via QRIS or virtual account, and just like that, my fiat is converted to stablecoins instantly. It's as easy as using a local e-wallet. Now that we have funds, let's see the merchant view. I head over to the Receive menu, choose the currency I want, let's go with IDRX, punch in an amount of 1,000 rupiah, and hit Generate QR. Boom, I'm ready to accept a global payment. Switching to the customer view on my phone, I scan that QR code and here is the new magic. I need to pay 1,000 IDRX, but I'm short on funds. No problem, I enable multi-coin payment, and the app automatically combines my IDRX with my USDC balance to cover the bill. I tap Pay Now, and it settles instantly on base. One signature, multiple coins, zero hassle. Let's switch to the swap mode. I can manage my portfolio in the Swap tab, converting USDC to IDRX in seconds. Finally, I can verify all these movements right here in the Activity tab. Simple, fast, and secure. ArtaPay is bringing the cash-like experience to Web3. Pay global, settle local. ArtaPay is available on the base app. Check out our demo at artapay.versal.app.ue. Thank you.